All right, you stay right here.
Okay.
Just stay.
I don't want them in my
Just stay right here. Just stay right there. How we doing? Chief Majoy.
Hey, I just got here.
Who are you?
My name is Jordan. I'm with News 5. This is Bridget from News 5.
So News 5 shows up to the house of a rape victim. Is that right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Why would you do something like that? I've been in law enforcement for over 27 years. I've never in my life had a news station go to the home of a victim of a rape. You're on Bodycam right now. I'm going to make this Bodycam available to a lot of people. I suggest you leave right now. What's your name again?
Jordan Bannon.
Let's get his ID. ID both of them.
Do you have your driver's license with you?
Very poor taste, folks. Very poor taste. What would possess you to do that?
For the record,
What record?
it's a phrase. I'm sorry. I vocalized my concern to my my superiors.
Yeah.
And
Ask your superiors to please contact the Chief of Police of the Village of Newburgh Heights.
I will be more than
Because I find that in extreme poor taste. Extreme poor taste. If you guys want to know something about the case, call us. We'll tell you. But to show up at the victim's house, how would you feel? How would you feel if you were one of your loved ones of a victim of rape? You're a female. How would you feel? Would you want the news showing up at your house? You're not sure? Well, I hope to God you never have to find out. Good day, folks. There's the street.
Okay.
Good day.
I got to let them out.
Yeah, this is our vehicle here. She told us to pull up.
Guys, I'm appalled. I'm without words.
I understand, sir.
I'm without words. I'd like who's your editor that sent you here?
Dina Greer and then
Dina Greer.
Kelly Hayner.
And who?
Kelly Hayner.
Kelly.
If you want me to email you their email address.
I have Dina's. I would like a phone call from them.
Okay.
But you can tell them my extreme displeasure in you guys doing this.
I understand.
I support the media. I support all the stuff you guys do. But boy, oh boy, going to the house of a victim of a rape. Wow. That's an all-time low for me, guys. Good day. All right, I'm going to shut this off because the victim of this rape is coming back outside.